right. I don't know if it's going yet. I think it's going. Someone's putting bugs in my hair. We're going to run down and check out the swimming pool area. See if we can get, what are we going to do? We got to talk to the people.
Yeah. People where?
Talk to the security, whoever's running the show down there. See if we can,
How
what we got to
much
do
per
to use
day?
the pool, because we want to go use the pool. So, hey, thanks for joining me on my YouTube today.
Let's go.
Thanks for the subscriptions. Thanks for the thumbs up and the likes. All the comments that are so positive and beautiful. And we'll see you when we get down there. All right, guys.
So we're going to the pool now. We're going to check it out. Let's go, guys. Mom is picking up mangoes. And then Dad is doing reels. And I'm doing vlog. Kanya-kanyang buhay kami dito. We got our own life here. Let's go! Look at that. Mom is picking up mangoes. Okay, let's go. It's a little bit windy today, huh? The weather is normal. Really normal. It's not very sunny. Why are they so slow? They're like a turtle. Turtle, yeah. That is making a reels there. Guys, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! You guys are so slow! There you go. Mommy is up there. Daddy is here already, doing reels. Mommy is up there. Okay, let's go. It's so hot today. Like, a little bit, but oh, for me it's hot because I didn't take a shower yet. Maybe when I come back home, I'll take a shower. But it's windy though, so I like the wind. So we're here. There's Daddy. Let's see, let's check the pool, you know. Wow, that's looking clear or something.
I don't know if I'm videotaping or...
Showering is mandatory.
Because I can't see, the light is...
Eating, drinking, and smoking are not allowed.
Huh? Eating?
In the small print.
No eating. Here's a list of rules. So I don't know if you can really see it too good.
We have two.
There's a whole list of stuff you can and cannot do. But it's all common sense stuff, you know. No zippers, so you need to have swimming trunks. No eating or... Don't worry about it, honey. It's fine. We know the...
Drinking are not allowed.
We know the rules. Let's go talk to this kuya down here. I want you to talk to him, honey. You got the language.
I got the language.
Yeah, you can communicate better. Just ask him what's the, you know, what's the procedure. Maybe he knows, maybe he doesn't. Maybe he's just sitting here. I don't know. Huh?
Let's see.
Well, let's see.
Well,
It's only a
around.
15-minute video, honey. You know? Not even that.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you know
It's a nice looking.
to ask permission to use the pool?
Excuse me. I think it's usually the home association
Oh,
down over there.
the office?
Yeah, at the office.
There is?
Yeah, by the
Let's do
office.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if they're not there, they usually sit.
Are
They
they here?
usually sit over there.
Are they here today?
I guess
Sunday?
so.
Oh, holiday.
Today
Maybe
is a
not, huh?
holiday. I'm not sure.
Oh, it is a holiday,
Check
huh?
them over there where the clock is. You see where the clock is?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, they're closed Monday. It says in that they're closed Monday too. Anyway,
And the Monday is usually closed.
yeah.
Oh,
No one uses it.
nobody's using it on Monday.
Yeah.
Let's go check this out, though. It's a beautiful pool. I know Adriana wants to go swimming, so do I. Wow, that looks nice. Just accidentally fall in. And then it's like, oh, well, I accidentally fell in, so I had to swim. Anyway, guys, this is our pool. And we're going to find out. Not today, because today's a holiday, and it's also Monday. I guess they're closed on Monday. So, for now, we're going to call that all we know. That's it for this idea. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for YouTube. Thanks for joining the YouTube. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a notification. Ring that notification bell. Leave a message.
Let's take a picture here. Leave a message,
Like, subscribe.
like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining us.